Hi guys, and today I went to a trip where a Thailand guy, teach me how to ride those ATV or something.
ATV.
And it was really fun and cool, but
Scary.
and scary, yeah.
But did you like it?
Yeah. I wanna come here next time drive this guy.
Okay.
Bye.